Are you looking for an easy way to upskill yourself in Python? Are you looking for a way to help yourself with academics on Python or segue into a different career into data science or data engineering with Python? Well, then you need the fundamentals. And we are focusing on building on the fundamentals in easy, small, bite-sized chunks for us all to consume. Welcome to this channel, and I will be your host, Ramesh. All right, so as you can see, Google has been doing a great number of things with AI for a very long time. It's just that AI has been out of the reach of the public, people like you and me, because it used to be pretty expensive. Those days are gone. As you can see from the screen, Google has been doing some great job. And one of the good things that it's been doing for the public is to provide them free access to the Google Collaboratory or the Google Colab as it's known as. We will be referring to it as the Colab from here on. There are many other ways to access Python, but Colab is pretty much the easiest way to go. So if you go to this URL, which I'll leave in the description, you will be able to set something up.
Let us see how to log in to Google Colab. Once you have opened Colab, click on the new notebook link and it will tell you need a sign in. So click on sign in and email address there. And once you enter your username and a password, just the email and the password, you're all good.
Once you get to the screen, you will notice that you are presented with options to create new notebooks. Click on new notebook, or you can choose any of the older notebooks if you've been working with that, and just click on new notebook. Give it a second, and Google Colab will present you with a section which allows you to code. So all new section. It has not done that yet. This is just to give you an idea what it does. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press the play button. Pressing the play button inside Colab will give you an environment, if you don't have one yet, to run the Python code which you have written. After some time you will find something coming here up here saying that an environment with certain amount of RAM has been provisioned for you. Let's just keep it simple. Let's not worry about the RAM, the CPUs, and let's just run this. So it's saved, it is connecting, and it says hello Adam again, right? Let's just make a change, and now we have hello Adam 1. Now what if you want one more block of code? You can either add it to this, or you can add a block of code here. So print. So you have hello Eve. So whatever you provided will be printed here. Now this is very simple, very easy to use. Now you could do things like print right. These are numerical in nature, it's numbers. These are just text, right? Alphabets here. And of course there's a space there. So print is the simple start that we were gunning for this session. I hope you guys like this. and let's continue in the next session. Until then, just try to get to Colab, open a new notebook, and create the code blocks by clicking on plus and press the play button to play this forward. Come back with better sessions. As a little task for you, now that we have created a notebook in Python, insert Google Colab, figure out where it gets stored. I will give you the answer in one of the coming sessions. But for now, let that be something for you to research. It will be fairly straightforward. If you look at the open screen, you will get the answer, but I would like you to discover that. All the very best.